Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. Welcome to project number 5. Man, I'm gonna be running out of fingers right here in a minute, man, all these projects I'm making. Today, we're making my favorite thing to make with my laser. And we're gonna make some jewelry. Yes, we're gonna make a Rocafella chain. I'm gonna make it all black. That's the acrylic that I've been using a lot of. Is all black. I'm gonna show y'all everything that I'm gonna use, and I will link in the description below all the stuff that I'm using. I'm gonna show y'all what the logo looks like. Everything I'm using. I got some ball chain right here, black ball chain, and I have a black jump ring right here. This is just a jump ring, and I have the clamp that I'm gonna use to put the chains together. And here's what the logo looks like. Right here, the Rocafella logo that I found. I got like a little outline going around it. This is where the jump ring is gonna hook and where the chain is gonna go through right here. The black part is gonna be engraved. The white part is gonna stand out, so it's gonna be nice and shiny. So let's head over to the laser and let's cut it out. One quick thing before we head over to the laser. If y'all want to see the steps that I take to get my designs ready for the laser, man, let me know in the comments right now. I don't know if y'all want to see them or not. Let me know in the comments. There it is. Got it all cut out, lasered out. Then we got to peel the paper off. There it is. Rocafella chain, man. All black, laser cut Rocafella chain, man. All right, man. Let's put it together. Let's put all the pieces on. As you can see right here, I done already cut my ball chain. I cut it down to 26 inches. So let's put it all together. Go to jump ring right here. Snap the jump ring on. All right, put one part through. Put a clamp on. All right, so it's all put together now. There it is, man. There go the chain, man. It's all nice and look. You know what I mean? That's it, baby. There it is, project number 5 complete. Man, if you like this video, man, hit that thumbs up. If you haven't already, man, hit that subscribe button. If you want to see me do the steps that I use to get my designs prepared for these projects, man, let me know in the comments. I don't know if y'all really want to see them. Man, and I'll see you guys in the next project. My daughter took my Rubik's Cube. But this is real nice, though.